Springtime is here, and it's time to get your car ready for the road. After a long winter, your vehicle needs some attention. Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Today I will walk you through essential spring car maintenance tips to keep your ride running smoothly. Winter weather can be harsh on cars. Potholes, salt, and freezing temperatures take a toll. Spring is the perfect opportunity to address these issues and make necessary repairs. Doing so will save you money down the road and extend your vehicle's life. First, let's talk about engine oil. Think of an oil change as a fresh start for your engine. It's recommended every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers. This simple step ensures your engine runs cooler and smoother. Next up are your tires. If you're still using winter tires, it's time for a swap. If you've already changed them, remember to check your tire pressure, rotate your tires every 10,000 kilometers, and inspect them for damage. Now, let's focus on brakes. The winter can wear them down. Keep an ear out for grinding sounds or if your car pulls to one side when stopping. If you notice these signs, visit your brake mechanic for a checkup. Fluids are crucial for your vehicle. Don't just check the oil. Ensure all fluids are topped up: coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Batteries also need attention after winter. A slow start or dim lights can indicate battery trouble. If you experience these, have a professional test your battery to avoid being stranded. Alignment is another key aspect to consider. Potholes can throw your wheels off balance. If your steering pulls to one side, it's time for an alignment. Changing air filters is essential too. They capture dirt and dust, affecting performance. Replacing them improves fuel economy and keeps the air inside your car clean. For a deeper dive, consider washing the undercarriage and detailing the interior. Checking lights, including headlights and taillights, will ensure safety on the road. Be aware of common issues that can arise after winter. Look out for suspension problems, brake wear, battery issues, and tire damage. Regular maintenance can help catch problems before they escalate. Planning a spring road trip? Ensure your car is in top shape by scheduling a thorough checkup. Like this video? Subscribe for more automotive tips. Tell us in the comments, have you done your spring car maintenance yet?